The ICFI Foundation for Higher Education, it conducts a national level exam, which is called IBSAT. And this is primarily looks at different sections. As you know, it looks into your vocabulary, it looks into your data analysis and sufficiency, and some other aspects in terms of the logical reasoning and the others. It's quite a relatively, I would say, easy exam in the sense students get an opportunity to actually appear and test their skills over here. This is the primary exam which is being conducted by the ICFI Foundation for Higher Education across for its admission across the 9 campuses that it has got, and it is followed by a round of micro presentation and the personal interview, and these are essential in terms of selecting a candidate for admission to any of these campuses under this ICFI group. So prepare yourself well in advance. Go through the mock test also that we conduct for the IBSAT, and you would be, finding that what is the kind of questions which you would normally can expect in the real exam that is going to happen. And this is what IBSAT is all about. Prepare yourself well, and you get a chance to actually, enter into one of the premier institutions of this country. Thank you.